Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to open up your WordPress website in Xampp. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you have not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page where in the upper right corner you want to get started logging into your account. So go ahead and create a new account if you do not already have one. And after logging in, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, which is the main page where once opening up your website, you'll be able to access all the site options right here at the left side screen like home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how to open up our WordPress website in Xampp and manage it from there. So guys, the first things first, you're going to want to download Xampp. So you want to go to Google and search for Xampp if you haven't already. After searching, open it up, find the download option and get started with installing it and creating your Xampp on your PC. So once you have downloaded Xampp guys and open it up, it's going to look like this. This is going to be your Xampp control panel where you can get started with connecting your Apache or your MySQL and so on, whatever database option you want to use, and you can get started with starting them and configuring them the way you want using the admin section. So basically, to download your WordPress website and to get all your files for your database, you can go right here to the tools section on the left side screen and click export. Clicking the export option is going to enable you to export everything like pages, posts, feedback, and so on from your website that you can then upload to your Xampp control panel and use it like this from here directly. And that's how easy it is to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.